promise you're gonna draw a cute otter.
We hope you're really excited to follow along with us. For this lesson, we're using our pencil and eraser first to draw a jelly bean shape. And then we're gonna use our markers to add the extra details and color. And we came up with a name for our little friend. What is it?
Charlie.
Yeah, but his full name is Charles.
Yes.
And then we'll also, we got to come up with a name for his little friend.
Okay.
Hey, parents and teachers, if your kids are enjoying art with us, you'll really love our Art for Kids Hub membership. Watch our lessons ad-free and even download lessons for offline fun. It works on all of your devices, iPhone, Android, Mac, PC, Roku, and even Apple TV. Start your free trial today at artforkidshub.tv. Let's start with our pencil, and we're gonna draw just a main shape. And what shape are we gonna draw?
A jelly bean.
Yeah, that's the shape of Charles. We're gonna draw Charlie. We're gonna draw the top of the jelly bean first. I'm gonna draw it kind of up here, and I'm gonna come around like that. That's the top of his head. And then we're gonna draw it curving down to the jelly bean shape, around, and then curve back up. And the nice thing about using a pencil is we can make it a little smaller or a little bigger if we need. We can really work on the shape and get it just the way we want it before we switch to our markers. And I'm gonna make my jelly bean shape shorter. And you might wanna make it just a little shorter too down here so that we have room for the tail. And then once we get the line that we wanna keep, we can erase any of the other lines we don't want. That's all we're using our pencil for. Let's put it off to the side. And if you need extra time to work on your shape, you can always pause the video. Okay, now let's use our markers and we're gonna draw all the details and the extra shapes to turn it into our little sea otter. Let's start with the nose. We're gonna start right here and draw an oval for the nose. And then we can draw, or let's color it in first. Then we can draw a line down for the start of the mouth, and we'll curve out to the left and out to the right. We can also add little cheek lines too if you want. And then let's make our sea otter really happy by drawing the bottom of the mouth open. Yeah, okay, and then the eyes. I'm gonna draw an oval or a circle on both sides. It's a jelly bean with a face. Then we can draw smaller circles inside for the highlight to make the eyes shiny and really cute. And then we're gonna color in the big circle, but leave those little circles white. Okay, now let's draw the top of his head. We're gonna start here next to the eye, or where the ear might be. We're gonna curve up and just trace on top of the pencil, but then we can stop, add a little bit of fur at the top, and then we're gonna finish curving down to the other eye, or right in line with it. Then we're gonna draw the little cheek. I'm gonna leave space, a little gap. We're gonna draw a cheek, and we're gonna curve in just a little. Oh, and we can add a little extra bump. And then I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. We'll draw a cheek and a little extra bump. And let's draw the ears. I'm gonna draw letter C and a backwards C. I could also add little eyebrows too. Oh, and a tongue. I'm gonna draw a tongue inside. Yeah, okay, now for the hands and arms. We're gonna start here and we'll come outside of the shape and then we'll come back in and then I'm gonna curve around back where the elbow would be. Let's kind of draw that same shape on the other side. So I'm gonna come out of the shape for the elbow, then we'll come back in, curve around, and then back to where the elbow would be. Yeah, okay, and then we can also add little curves for the fingers on the paws. Okay, now let's come down here and we're gonna draw the foot, the first foot. And we're gonna draw an oval shape, but I'm gonna leave a little gap open on the inside. So I'm gonna curve around and then back. And then we can also add 2 little toe lines. And then over here, I'm going to try to draw that same shape, but we're going to draw it more inside of his body. And I'm going to draw it about here, but we want it to be about the same size. It's okay if it's a little different. And we can add 2 little toe lines for that foot. Okay, now let's connect or draw the rest of the body. I'm going to just trace over the pencil to there. We don't want to draw through the arm or the foot. And then on this side, I'm going to come out a little bit further like this and then in to the foot. Yeah, okay, now right here, let's just trace a bit on top of the pencil, just a little, and the same over here. And then we're gonna draw the rest of the tail, or the tail, I mean. We're gonna come out, and they kind of have these thick, really round tails, kind of long, kind of short. All right, he's missing his little buddy, and we don't have a name for his little clam friend, which we name his little friend.
I'm not sure.
Okay, all right, that's okay. You keep thinking about it.
Okay.
And then let's draw our little clam friend, and then you come up with the name at the end. But also, our friends could change whatever he's holding. It could be something else. It doesn't have to be a little clam. But I'm going to draw a bumpy line for the top of the clam. We're going to draw a bumpy line that connects over and kind of makes a rainbow line over to the other side. And then we can draw it curving down and then back up. And we could draw a little corner here and a little corner here. It looks more like an oyster. I think that's an oyster. No, we're calling it a clam.
Yeah.
Okay.
A clam.
Did you come up with the name yet?
Yes.
What
His
is it?
name is Pasta.
The shell?
Yes.
It's pasta. It kind of looks like a pasta shell. Mm-hmm. Okay. And then we could draw a happy smile. It's a friend, not food. And we can draw open mouth and a tongue. And then also eyes. 2 circles. And let's color those in with little highlights too. And the last thing, we need to add whiskers.
Oh, yeah.
Draw 3 coming out of each cheek. And we did it. We finished drawing little Charlie, except we still need to
color him.
Yes, this part will fast forward, but at the end you can pause the video to match our same coloring. Oh, and one more thing, we need to switch to our eraser again and erase any of the extra pencil lines you can still see.
Okay.
You ready to speed things up?
Yes.
Hadley, we did it! We finished coloring Charlie, or Charles,
Charles.
and Pasta.
Yes.
It looks so cute, all colored in, and I hope our friends will take time to color theirs.
Yeah, we also added water.
Yeah, our friends could add even more things, like fish, or this really isn't a clam. This is more like an oyster. But clams don't have this, and they're smooth on top, but let's call it a clam.
Okay, yes.
You could draw more of the little pasta friends. That would really complete your drawing.
Yes, they're swimming around him.
Yeah.
I also like how we added lighter color on his face.
Yeah, he kind of looks like a monkey too.
Yeah, or a beaver.
A beaver.
We hope you had a lot of fun drawing Charlie.
Yeah, and his friend Pasta. And we'll see you later, our friends.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.